This is one of my current projects that I'm making, but I always am making these in various stages, and it's the bowl cozy. Bowl cozies though, a couple of different ways of making them that I've found. I used to make them just with the squares. That's probably now my second favorite way of making them because it's easy to turn the corners, make my darts. Then I was gifted a go cutter, AccuQuilt go cutter for Christmas, and I thought, this is opening up a whole new world for me. So I did get the bowl cozy dies from AccuQuilt, and I have now learned I can cut out 3 at a time because you can do up to 6 layers of fabric in the cutter that I was gifted. Typically I'm just making 2 at a time, so it's 2 fabric layers and 2 batting layers, but they come out looking like this.